Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing two harvest centerpieces, and they're really from midsummer to early fall, when the pumpkins have not quite come in yet, but you want to have that nice warm coloration in your personal space. I'm Arlene and welcome to my home and garden channel. So we're going to be looking at two different ones. I'm going to show you the items that I use for containers. For the first one, basically I use this basket right here, and I like that the patterns on there, I like that it's darker in color, so it helps to bring that warmth in that we're looking for. And it's good to have one that has a corner, so you can rest it on the side and you can put your fruits in there. The next one is this wide bowl. It's kind of like a tray that I got from my mom many years ago, and I think the colors tie in really well with summer and fall, like little touch of each of them. You can see some of the red leaves right there, the darker color flowers like the oranges and so on. And the center, you see the color in there as well too. It has that nice warm coloration that we're looking for. And here next we have a tray. That's another option as well too, but bear in mind with a tray, because it's flat like that, you'll need to have a lot more fruits to fill it out to get that nice look that you're going for. And then here we also have some candles that I'm going to be using as accent pieces as well. And it's good to have the heavier ones at that time of the year, because it helps to give that sturdiness that we're looking for, not the breeziness of summertime. So now we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at it. So you can see the basket is off to the side, and I'll just give you a look at the different fruits that I used in here. I have apples, I have a papaya right there, which you may have seen from my previous video. And I have some bananas, I have lemon, I have oranges. And bear in mind, guys, that you want to make sure that you are tapering them. You put the larger ones or more things towards the back, and then you narrow it down as you head towards the tip of your arrangement. You can see that I have my pineapple next to the grape right there, and I think those colors that they just pop so well. So guys, I hope you like it, and I'd love to see your comments about this one if you'd have done something different, or you could just use the same idea and just put your pumpkins in when it comes around to the fall season. So just let me know what you think about it. I'd love to see what you have to say. So guys, that is number one. Now we're going to move on to number two. So for number two, I arrange the candlesticks, in that slant position right there. And you can see that I did put some of the fall leaves in here as well, to help to pop with that same coloration that we're going for. And I did use my burlap runner on there because I thought it tied in really well with what we were doing. I didn't want to go for white or anything that would be, more like early summertime. So I thought it blended in really well there. So you can tell me what you think, if you'd use something different, maybe some darker colored flowers or something like that. And then here now we have our fruits in the bowl. And guys, I just want to say that I do my decorating videos, on Thursdays. I have a lot of videos coming up for the fall, both the gardening ones on Fridays and the decorating ones on Thursdays. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you'll get notified and you can see them. So this, guys, is number two. I'd love to see your comments on which one you preferred, if you preferred number one or if you preferred number two, and anything that you'd have done to tweak it a little bit. As you can see that I did put some of the leaves around there. I scattered some of the leaves on the runner just to help everything to tie together. I just want to say that I thank you so much for watching. We anticipate the fall season. I'm going to be attaching my autumn playlist at the end, so you can always get in the mood, get started for that. And I really appreciate you all so much. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I certainly hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.